Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Repeat dua with me, kids. Rabbi shrali sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. So how are you, kids? I hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah. So today we are going to start a new lesson from your grammar PC Ren's book, and the name of a lesson is tenses. Chapter number 17, page number 70. 7070. So let's begin this chapter. This chapter has been divided into three parts. In the first part, we are going to see simple present tense, then present continuous tense, and then we will do the exercise. Okay, so let's begin with the exercise. First, we have to read the following sentences. Okay, so let's begin. In the first sentence, it has been given, he watches television every day. So, what is the tense given over here? Watches is a verb. Okay, and this shows that a present time. Okay, so he watches a television. He watches the television every day, means he watch a television regularly. Okay, every day he is watching a television. In the second sentence, it is given, he is watching a television now. So here is watching is a verb. Okay, and it show a present time, means the action is still continuous. Okay, so he is watching, still he is watching, so this is a present time. Okay, he watched a television. He watched means he had already watched. Okay, the action has been completed. Okay, so that is a past tense. That is a past tense. Okay, the action has been watched already. Okay, action has been completed already. He had watched a television yesterday. Okay, then in the next sentence it is given, he will watch television tomorrow. So this shows the future time, future tense. Okay, he will, the action is going to be done in a future. Okay, so he will watch a television tomorrow. Will watch is a future time. Okay, so here the same verb watch is used. Okay, and all these sentences, in all these sentences the same verb watch has been used. Okay, but we find different forms of verb in the sentences. Okay, the form watches, and is watching. Okay, in the second sentence show the present time. Okay, and the form watched, which is there in the third sentence, shows the past time. Okay, and will watch shows the future time, means he is going to do this action in the future. Okay, so the verb forms like those stated above that show time, present, past and future are called tenses. Okay, these are the verbs like watch, watching and all these things. So these form, okay, the verb forms like those stated above shows the time. Okay, it shows the time that the verbs are the action is been done, or he is doing it, or he will do in a future. Okay, so here the table is given, see simple present tense. Okay, note the form of verb in this sentence. You have to note down the form of verb in this sentence, like I work, we work, you work and they work. Okay, here it is given, he works, she works and it works. Okay, he, she, it and then works are given. Okay, simple present tense, again it is used here for things that happen again and again, as I go for a walk every morning. These are the simple present tense which happens again and again. Okay, like in the first sentence it is given, I go for a walk every morning. My uncle phones me daily. Ravi often plays a video game. Okay, and in the B sentence it is given that for things that are always true, as the sun rises in the east, the rain falls from the clouds. Okay, so these are the simple present tense, which are the things which are going to happen again and again, and the things which are always true, like it is true that sun always rises in the east and the rain falls whenever there is a cloud. Okay, so these are the simple present tenses. Then again for the things that say the same for a long time. Okay, Like the sentences here, it is given that I live in Mumbai, she acts on television. So these are the things that say that the things that stay the same for a long time. Okay, like I live in Mumbai, he lives in Mumbai. Okay, so he is living in Mumbai since a long time. Then she acts on TV. So here again the table is given where present continuous tense. Note the form of verb in these sentences. So we have to note down the verb. Okay, like for example, I am working. I am working. Then we are working. You are working. They are working. And in the next, he is working, she is working, and it is working. Means the action is continuous. Okay, action is continuous and the verb is continuous. So this is a present continuous tense. Okay, still the action is going on. Okay, we are working, still they are working. You are working, they are still working. He, she, it is working. Okay, still the action is going on. So this is a present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to talk about the things which are happening now. Okay, for example, look, it is raining. Means the thing rain is still there. Okay, so thing is happening. Okay, I am writing a letter. Means the action is continuous. Okay, he is still writing. Present continuous means he is still writing. I am writing a letter. He is using a computer. He is still using a computer. Okay, action is continuous, so he is using the computer. They are playing cricket. Still they are playing. Okay, so these actions are continuous. Mr. Sen is teaching the uses of tenses. He is still teaching. Okay, so these are the sentences which are called as a present continuous tense. Means the action is not yet completed, but the action is carried on. Okay, still they are doing this action. Still they are, the rain is still there. Still he is writing a letter. He has not completed his work. Still he is writing. Okay, he is not completed using a computer. Still he is using. So the action is continuous. Means he is doing the action. He has not yet completed the action. Okay, so these are called a present continuous tense. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood what is present continuous tense. So let's begin with the exercise. Choose the correct verb form from the brackets to fill each in blanks. Okay, so let's begin with the first sentence. The stars dash at night. Okay, you have to choose the correct verb from the brackets to fill the blanks. Okay, so here we are going to write the star shines at night. Then there is I dash tennis every day. I play tennis every day. Okay, then listen, the phone is dash. Listen, the phone is ringing. Then the next sentence is oil dash on water. Oil floats on water. So I have told you the answer of 4 sentences. First there is a shine, then there is a play, and the third answer is ringing, and the answer of D is floats. Okay. So rest of the sentences you have to do it by your own and send me a picture on WhatsApp.